Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull moment in crypto. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, we have a lot to talk about Ripple and XRP. Elon Musk has officially removed the Doge logo from Twitter, which has sent the price downwards. We've got obviously that Bitcoin and crypto now outperforming all of the major indexes by 170%, which is just insane. And this is just the beginning. There's a lot to get through. Let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get wild. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and to do your own research and due diligence. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab today on this Friday. It is Good Friday, and I'm working. Anyway, let's not say anything. Keep that quiet. Shh. Anyway, thousands of millions of obviously XRP investors are waiting for the lawsuit to end before the price of XRP begins to move up. That'll be too late. I'm just saying, once this lawsuit basically ends and it is in Ripple's favor, which I believe will happen, the price of XRP is going to go absolutely parabolic, and I cannot wait for that. More importantly, I believe, yes, I know I have my opinions about BitBoy, but I do agree with him in that sense that, this is basically going to be the number one altcoin to hold for the next bull run, which, again, we are well and truly on our way into this. Now, obviously, we have the top altcoins, and I've said two altcoins, which is hilarious, typo, but we had BTT, MetaHero, Luna Classic has been sleeping for a while, just saying. We've had Constellation DAG and Casper. Very, very bullish on Casper. I like the project. Now, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use it if you are new to cryptos in Australia. And of course, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world. Let's have a quick look at my prices today. Bitcoin sitting at 42,000 AUD, which is really nice, ladies and gentlemen. ETH is at 2,865. I mean, Bitcoin's still holding quite strong, guys. Now, XRP's up today slightly in the green to 77 cents, which is nice. ADA, 58 cents. I'm still bullish on Cardano as well. I'm looking to accumulate more. Doge is down 10.5%, which is interesting because, again, I told everyone to be careful about trading in Doge, and obviously it goes up. Everyone wants to FOMO into it, and obviously the short sellers. Anyway, everyone gets liquidated, so be careful. 12 cents at the moment. I'm still holding a decent position in Doge, mind you, as well, because, again, I sold up a large portion of that and put it into Bitcoin when the market was going crazy with that because of all the stuff with Elon Musk. Anyway, Matic's $1.70. You've got Solana at $31. Shiba Inu as well, down 1.24%. A lot happening with Shiba Inu, I'm just saying. Moving down, you've got Chainlink at $11 today. XLM is still up as well. See what I mean? But it follows XRP. So it'd be very interesting to see what happens with the Ripple lawsuit and XRP. I reckon Stellar is going to absolutely go parabolic as well. So this one is actually quite good. 16 cents, very cheap. Not financial advice. Hedera's at 10 cents as well. We have ALGO, 33 cents. Quant is at 186. See, stable coin at this level. It's ridiculous. ICP $7. Now let's move down. Theta $1.63. CFX is down 4.84% today to 56 cents. Chili's is up slightly today to 0.73. It's at 19 cents. And guys, the Patreon, my Patreon down below is doing quite well with the bots, which is insane. I've got a bot set up now with Chili's, and it was up just previously before recording here, 500%, which is just insane. And my computer is freezing up here, so I do apologize. But 500%. Link is in the Patreon. The link is below for the Patreon. Join up. I love making money, and basically, I'm not selling any BS courses. Right, have a look at it. It's awesome. Moving down, we have Optimism. This is one I was keeping an eye on right here. It's at $3.44. Let's go down, ladies and gentlemen, to XDC at 1.76% up today. It's 6 cents. People have had plenty of time to accumulate XDC. I hope you have. Anyway, I have personally. I love the project. And Casper up nearly 3% today to 6 cents as well. Very, very nice to see Casper up. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University. Linked below is the Patreon that I'm personally running. It's no one else. And I love talking with everyone in there directly as well, which is awesome. Again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades. The top altcoins of the day, I literally post them up every single day in my portfolio. I put up the full list. I'm not able to do that on YouTube. It's just too hard. But everything's in the Patreon, guys. It's awesome. Crypto trading bots, all my dividend investing as well, the income that I'm receiving from those, which is slowly compounding, which is really nice as well. So join up. Very, very bullish community, and I'm building, and I love talking with everyone in there directly as well. Now, Crypto Bubbles on the day. We have Engine. I was looking at accumulating some Engine a while back. I think I mentioned it to everyone as well, but 47 cents USD now. Up 13.9% as well, 22 on the week and 8.6 on the month, which is nice. I think play-to-earn games in general will be the next sector as well, the banking coins. I mean, again, we've had NFTs, we've had DeFi, we've had the whole metaverse stuff, we've had the artificial intelligence, the AI. Gaming will make a comeback as well. I've seen a few gaming tokens that I'm looking at as well actually do quite nicely this in the last couple of weeks. But anyway, we have INJ right here, Injective, 10% today, 25.3% on the week, and 85% on the month. Can't complain about those returns, really, when you think about it. And of course, Doge down 10%, 10.4 on the week, and 11.5 on the month. Guys, again, when Elon Musk ever tweets about it, I don't know why he changed it and put it back. Probably because the regulators probably got a threatening email from Gary Gensler, I'm just saying. Moving on, we have interesting stuff with the Ripple vs SEC XRP price action delayed due to this. The former lawyer reveals. Interesting article right here, but in the world of crypto right now, the distinction between security and a digital asset has now become crucial. In the case of Ripple and XRP, the distinction is currently at the center of the litigation. That is because of Gary Gensler being an absolute nutcase when you think about it. But as a former lawyer and current Evernote co-founder, Scott Chamberlain right here believes if only Ripple's opponent, the SEC, had argued that the crypto company sold XRP as part of an investment contract rather than the cryptocurrency itself being a security, there would be no threat to the entire XRP ledger, no suppression of the token's price, and in fact, no case itself, as it would have been resolved long ago. Yeah, but I think Gary Gensler, I'm just saying, is on a mission to, destroy crypto in general. And I'm sorry to say, this is David Koch. His head is all over the internet. This is one of our finance guys in Australia. Really annoying. Anyway, apparently there has been a golden cross that has formed on the technical analysis charts on TradingView right here. But again, I'm not too big on TA. I just like buy and sell indicators, and I have put them up before. And they're in the Patreon, by the way, as well. But Ripple's long lawsuit right here ruling closes in, and XRP forms a golden cross signaling arrival of the bulls. Love the bulls. Who doesn't like being a bull? But XRP price action displays a bullish signals as the whales cause splashes of 214 million XRP tokens regarding, obviously, the Ripple lawsuit ruling. Crypto whales moved $107 million worth of XRP tokens in the past 24 hours. Native crypto Ripple XRP observed a decline in the global digital, saw a massive sell-off, and the drop was amplified by after the US financial regulators revealed fresh legal attacks on the several crypto exchange platforms. And a sentimental mix can be sensed as a lawyer representing XRP holders, Johnny Deaton right here, took to Twitter to criticize the statement made by CEO of JP Morgan, who I think is a goose, mine. Jamie Dimon's a goose. But anyway, the statement suggested that the government seized private land to build wind and solar farms in order to meet the net zero targets. The XRP attorney, in response to that statement right here, asked the government to seize assets of JP Morgan and see its CEO. Active XRP lawyers and obviously the peaked Ripple lawsuit caused drastic movements in XRP price. You can see the golden cross right here. There you go. I'm not too bullish on technical analysis, to be quite honest with you. I'm more interested in the news. And again, just buy and sell indicators if I want to trade cryptos, which, again, my indicator works fantastic. Join the Patreon. It's in there. Now, moving on, you've got Anthony Scaramucci making a statement here. We're through the bear market as Bitcoin notches up 70% year to date. And Bitcoin's strong start to 2023 is persisting despite numerous headwinds and is currently outperforming the S&P 500 index and nearly 60 percentage points right here, which is huge. It's enormous. Bitcoin's stellar start to 2023 right here. Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Scaramucci believes we are through the bear market and expressed confidence in his firm's crypto investments. Look at this. But however, the mooch qualified the statement by adding that this is a guess. We don't know. And it's true. In April 6 interview on Yahoo Finance, Scaramucci noted that Bitcoin has consistently outperformed every other asset class over longer periods of time. That is the truth. But any time that you've held Bitcoin in a 4-year rolling interval, so you pick the day, hold it for 4 years, you've outperformed every other asset class. And that's true. My Bitcoin, when I purchased it back in 2016, has not lost. I've gained, which is insane. I wish I had bought more, but didn't have the capital at the time. That's reality. Now, interesting stuff. Ben right here, BitBoy, faces legal action from FTX class action lawyers. He was going on a rampage. I did see a lot of stuff from him coming out. But Ben, you got to take it easy with these lawyers, man. They're not going to play around, that's for sure. But Armstrong is alleged to have used emails, phone calls, and social media to send daily violent threats to an attorney in the FTX class action lawsuit. And courts formally served Ben on April 5th due to his alleged harassment of attorneys involved in the FTX class action right here. Obviously, and the case had previously named Armstrong as one of the 8 influencers that promoted FTX without the nature and scope of their sponsorships or endorsement deals, payments, and compensation, nor conduct adequate, if any, due diligence. This is why I'm just saying I stay away from all this shit. I'm sorry to swear, but I stay away from all of this stuff. I mean, honestly, if you're going to go after, like, lawyers and stuff like that, you better be prepared for the consequences, man. But anyway, not good. Stay away. Don't do that stuff. But anyway, Jim Cramer, again, he's at it again, but on Coinbase stock, I wouldn't touch this thing at all. And obviously, famed investor Jim Cramer shares his views on the Coinbase stock, and the BOFA, an analyst, reiterates his underperforming rate on Coin. Coinbase stock is down nearly 30% versus its year-to-date high, and Coinbase has lost nearly 30% in its recent week, but famed investor Jim Cramer still doesn't dub it an opportunity to invest in it. Meanwhile, you've got Cathie Woods, who he's a very intelligent woman as well, mind you. She's very, 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 very smart. Obviously called Tesla way back, and I jumped in on Tesla as well, and I saw insane gains, ridiculous. But she's very bullish on Coinbase, and it's going to be very interesting to see what happens when institutions all want to buy Coinbase because crypto is going parabolic. Mark my words, that'll happen. But anyway, do the opposite of what Jim Cramer says, basically. And Bitcoin outperforms top 5 indexes by 170% in Q1 of this year. This is just the beginning right here. But guys, after a tumultuous 2022, Bitcoin is on the rebound in 2023, emerging as a potentially lucrative investment option and are surpassing traditional finance products. While Bitcoin and traditional investments showed similar movements in the past year, the cryptocurrency has now forged ahead, recording noteworthy returns. And in particular, data acquired and circulated by Finbold indicates that that is at Q1 of 2023, Bitcoin's return on investment, ROI, that's what it means, obviously, 170.32%. Compared to average 5 major stock indexes during the quarter, Bitcoin's returns stood at 69.4%, while average returns from indexes stood at 5.5%. That's insane. And obviously, you've got here among the indexes, NASDAQ, tech stocks, you've got Google, Facebook, Amazon, all of that stuff, had the highest returns of 17.39%, followed by the S&P 500 SPX at 6.36%, while the US small cap, the Russell 2000 right here, ranked the third of 2.51%. The FTSE right here, return was 0.99 and placed the index in the 4th spot, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average ranked the 5th at 0.56. Bitcoins and cryptos are outperforming all of this. That's why I love it. I love doing daily videos on it because, again, we're in the early stages of a bull market. Things are about to get crazy. Anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. FedNow is going live, which is very interesting as well, but enables government surveillance while Bitcoin protects privacy. This is all to do with digital payments, right? This is all coming with CBDCs, but the upcoming FedNow digital payment system raises concerns about the financial privacy and government surveillance of transactions. And Bitcoin offers a decentralized, censorship-resistant alternative that can protect financial freedom and privacy in the area of CBDCs. Bitcoin's features such as obviously borderless transactions right here, resistance to inflation and increased privacy make it an attractive option. You watch what's going to happen. I think a lot of people are going to start moving into it. Anyway, Robinhood has settled a massive amount of money right here with the US regulators. If I can get rid of this stupid pop-up. But $10 million fine they copped, which is a lot of money for a fine, really. But Robinhood will pay $10.2 million in penalties after a probe by 7 state securities regulators found the company harmed investors. And the investing platform's outages in March 2020 sparked the investigation, which was huge, but have to pay $10.2 million in penalties for harming Main Street investors after the company's platform outages of 2020 sparked a probe by 7 states regulators right here. And Robinhood repeatedly failed to serve its clients, but this settlement, a settlement makes it clear that Robinhood must take its customer care obligations seriously and correct these deficiencies. I was waiting for Robinhood to be listed in Australia on the App Store, but that would never happen. So it's really annoying. But I use my other platforms. I use Coinbase and, Coinspot, not Coinbase, Coinspot and Stake for my stocks. Now, this is hilarious. It's not funny. I shouldn't laugh. But study claims that 99.5% of crypto investors did not pay taxes in last 2022. Naughty, naughty, naughty investors. But Finland and Australia had the highest proportion of tax-paying crypto investors, which is interesting. And while the United States ranked 10th on the list according to the study. You need to pay your crypto taxes. I've paid my taxes, so make that very clear on the channel. But guys, do not avoid paying taxes. I'm telling you now that these, your tax people or agents, here is the Australian Tax Office. You've got the IRS in the United States. I don't know what it's like in Europe, but they know you're investing in crypto. Do not avoid it. You're going to cop a massive fine. Please, there's one thing I can say is have a good accountant that can help you with that, because you will need it. Because if you're buying and selling all the time, that's a taxable income that you're doing. So, I mean, even like crypto trading bots will also be taxable as well. You need to be aware of that. Whenever you're trading, buying or selling, that is a taxable movement right there. Anyway, you've got the crypto rainbow right here, which is interesting. Oh, sorry, I should say Bitcoin right here. And we are now approaching, which is interesting right here, accumulate. There you go. We're at the accumulation phase of the market, which is really nice. Now, let's go to Twitter, have a quick look on there. There isn't a lot happening, to be quite honest. It's a very bland news day. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. Thank you very much. And make sure you check the username, because there's a lot of fake accounts. I am giving this solid silver bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. And Jeremy Hogan and Johnny Eaton, these two lawyers right here, legends. But you are more likely to succeed in registering your, I'm not going to say that word, with your local sheriff's office than you are to successfully register your crypto projects with the SEC. Of course. This is crazy, but BlackRock right here has been taken over by protesters. This is wild. I don't know. It's just horrible to see this. I mean, obviously, BlackRock's invested in a lot of companies. $10 trillion is insane, but wow, this is incredible right here. If you are there, be careful, please. Moving on right here, you've got the CEO of SBI says that every bank in Japan will use Ripple XRP by 2025. There you go. And you've got Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin. Have a quick listen to him, and thank you documenting Bitcoin.
Who read the code for yourself, and you'll see what other people who read the code, what their thoughts are. So this is, Bitcoin is open sourced as well, which I think is good and contributes to the robustness of of Bitcoin mining and making sure there aren't exploits in the Bitcoin system. So I guess another good example of open sourcing, making something robust, is Bitcoin.
There you go. Very, very cool. It sounds like he's in a bathroom or something, to be honest. Anyway, US Senator right here, Biden's admin's hostility to Bitcoin and crypto companies has prevented American champions from emerging. That's true. It is straight truth. Jim Cramer warns potential investors to stay away from Coinbase stock, basically do the complete opposite right here. Who is the guy from CZ right here that put Bitcoin white paper on every Mac? And I want to buy him a drink in person. That would be insane. Imagine that. You've literally programmed every single Mac on the planet, which is like millions and millions and millions of computers. Crazy. Anyway, Jeremy Hogan, what's become clear in 2023 is that it's not just lack of clear rules from the SEC. The US federal government has taken the position that the whole crypto industry is fraudulent and must be stopped. The SEC's come in and register is a lie. It's just a trap. You would have to be an idiot to fall for Gary Gensler's BS. Sorry, but you would be. Anyway, guys, we have obviously the Twitter logo coming back now. And you've got Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, loving Bitcoin. Have a listen to this.
As a part.
Do you own crypto and any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
I do. Yeah, I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while, and I've been researching it and so forth. And so I think it's interesting.
There you go. You just heard it from the CEO of Apple right there. Very, very nice. Anyway, let's go to Coin Market Cap. We have 1.18 trillion US dollars, 36 billion in volume. It is quite low at the moment, guys. And again, it's Easter weekend this weekend, so obviously a lot of people are focusing on family and friends, which they should. 45% BTC and 19.08 Ethereum right here. 23,200 cryptocurrencies now, which has gone up. This is my portfolio. Obviously, the gainers still haven't changed. BTT, Hero, Omi, Lunk, Casper, Seacoin, Neo, and Nextra, which is interesting. And where my money's going, ladies and gentlemen, of course, is the banking coins. No brainer for me anyway, guys. This is where the real money's at. No BS. I mean, real money. I'm talking banks, institutions, CBDCs. As much as I can't freaking stand them, this is where the money's going. But anyway, I'm going to go through them all. This is one I've got my eye on, of course, is Ripple and XRP. This is the ultimate right here. When this thing goes, it's going to go crazy. And people will not have an opportunity to purchase XRP at 50 cents. It'll be too late. Anyway, that's not financial advice, but make sure you follow me on social media. Join the Patreon is linked below, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me on social media as well, and I will speak to everyone tomorrow, all right? Stay safe. Peace out. Bye.